So here we are outside Eden Hotel in Amsterdam. So this hotel is located in an area called Rembrandtplein, and from Central Station it's about a 25-minute walk, or it's about 10 minutes if you take the tram. So what inspired me to book this hotel was the photos on booking.com. It seemed to be really nicely decorated. So here we are outside the hotel. It has this quirky design. Well, all kind of Dutch buildings are like that. It's a really tall and slim looking building. But let's go in and head inside and check out what this hotel has to offer. The lobby has this pink theme. The tabletops have this marble design. And there's lots of cool looking ornaments and figurines displayed on these bookshelves here. Now, there are staff around if you need help to check in, but they have their own computers, so you can do a self check-in, which involves making your payment and even making your own room keys. So now heading to the room that I stayed in, you can just see how nicely designed this hotel is. I really like this kind of LED strip which is along the wall there. The design is contemporary, everything looks clean and very modern. I stayed on the 4th floor. In fact, my room was just here when you exited the elevator. It was right in front there. So I stayed in room 476. Let's have a look inside. So the room is very spacious. We have a large bed in the middle, and then we have 2 chairs, and then we have a dressing table just here at the end of the room. To the right we have the wardrobes. We have a full-length mirror there as well. But we have some space here at the top. An area where there's water stored with your glasses. And there's some wardrobe space here too. We've got hangers there for you to hang your clothes. The travel cot that they've provided is by Bugaboo, which is a very good brand for travel cots. It's not like a cheap brand. So they've given a very sturdy travel cot. This design around the bed is pretty cool, so it kind of extends onto the ceiling, and then there's these really cool LED lights, blue on the side and then like a warm LED light in the center. Plus there are like these mirror strips on the side of the bed too. So let's have a look at the view outside. So this window here doesn't open. This window over here does open. So let's have a look outside. I can see a Wagamama's there. It's a fairly busy street. You can see a tram going through there. There's no noise coming into the room though, even though it is a fairly busy street. The TV they've provided is by Philips, and there's also like a notepad there, a telephone. Yeah, that's a Philips TV. Yeah, so that's a Bugaboo travel cot, which is more of a kind of expensive brand when it comes to travel cots. Over here they've provided us with a coffee machine, we have a kettle, and then they've provided some teas and coffees there. So this is an espresso coffee machine. And that's the tea and coffee. It's coffee creamer. And we've got some like green tea and some English breakfast tea in like a metal tin. There's also a safe there to store your valuables. Over here we're in the bathroom now, so we have quite a large shower area. And then we have a toilet. And this is the sink area. There's also a hairdryer here. There's some lotion, some soap. And a shaving mirror there too. Interestingly, there's a bottle opener here in the bathroom as well, which says Heineken. Alright, so we're going to move on to breakfast now. So this was in the main restaurant area of the hotel, which you can see here. Again, the decoration here is beautiful, really nicely themed. But let's have a look and see what is on offer for breakfast. Okay, so some other facilities that the hotel has to offer. They have like a small shop located just next to the lobby area. So this is like a self-service shop. There aren't any staff members. You just pick what you want and then scan it and pay using your card. In this shop you can get like groceries, you can get like things you may have forgotten like toothpaste. They also have some souvenirs and some frozen items as well. They also have a Starbucks coffee machine here as well. So overall, I enjoyed my stay at this hotel. I really like the decoration and the theme of the hotel. Let me know what you think of this hotel, and if you have any questions, let me know if you are planning on staying here. And thank you very much for watching this video.